ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? ጥበቡ ነኝ ከፕሮግራሚንግ ኤንድ ኤዱኬሽናል ስኪል ጌም ቲዩብ። ዛሬ መስራት የፈለኩት አንድ ጥያቄ የ10ኛ ክፍል ማትማቲክስ ነው። እሱም የሚሆነው ስለ ፖሊኖሚያል ፋንክሽን ነው። አሁን ቀጥታ ወደ ጥያቄው እንሂድ፣ ተከታተሉ። ጥያቄው የሚለው for the polynomial function p of x which is equal to x square x cubed minus 2x the power of 5 plus 8 over 4 plus 7 over 8x minus x cubed. From this we are asked what is its degree, what is constant term, find an minus 1, an minus 2 and a2, what is the coefficient of x. So before I do this question, I want to show what is polynomial function. So polynomial function is a function that can be written in the form of p of x which is equal to an x to the power of n plus an minus 1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus a naught. So the function that can be written in this form is polynomial function. An which is equal different from 0, real number. N is positive integers. That means n cannot be negative and fraction form like that, a over b form. It can be written as only in integer form and positive. This is the definitions of polynomial function. So the equation p of x which is equal to x cubed minus 2x to the power of 5 plus 8 over 4 plus 7 over 8x minus x cubed. Then what is the degree? The degree of the polynomial function from the form n, and the leading coefficient is what? an. The leading coefficient is an. So from this we understand that p of x which is equal to x cubed minus 2x to the power of 5 plus 8 over 4 plus 7 over 8x minus x cubed. So from here the an is what? Minus 2 over 4 and n is 5. N which is equal to 5, an which is equal to minus 2 over 5. That means an is the coefficient of what? The largest degree variable. So an is minus 2 over 5, n is 5 over 2. Then the second equation, so the degree is 5. The second equation says what is the constant term? The constant term is a term that have not what? A variable. Variable is unknown that represents unknown value. So the constant from here, x cubed over 4 minus 2x over 5 over 4 plus 8 over 4 plus 7 over 8x minus x cubed. So from this, which term have not what? A variable. By this way, we can determine what? Constant term. So constant term is 8 over 4, this which is equal to 2. So the constant term is 2. Then the third equation is an which is equal to a5. This which is equal to what? I tell you before this, minus 2 over 4, this is equal to minus 1 over 2, minus 1 over 2, n. Then an minus 1, which is equal to a5 minus 1, this which is equal to a4. So from the given equation, there is no what? Degree for variables. So the term a4 is 0. The coefficient a4 is 0 because there is no A4 variable from the given questions because an represents the coefficient of n degree variables. And the third question, the fifth question says what is the coefficient of x ነው የሚለው we can determine it by direct see the form of equation f of x is equal to x cubed minus 2x to the power of 5 over 4 plus 7 over 8x minus x cubed. So from here we determine that what the coefficient of x now, so that is 7 over 8 ወይም 8 over 8ኛ ነው የሚሆነው። ሶ እንግዲህ ለቪዲዮ ጥራት ትንሽ አይኖረውም ምክንያቱም እየሰራሁኝ ያለው ቀጥታ ፒሲውን ኦን አድርጌ ስለሆነ ካሜራ ዲቫይስ ስለሌለኝ ነው። ሶ እና ተባበሩኝ። እኔ ገና ተማሪ ስለሆንኩ የካሜራ ዲቫይስ ስላጣውና የቮይስ ዲቫይስ ስለሌለኝ ነው። ሶ በቻላችሁት መልክ እንድታግዙኝ እጠይቃለሁ። አበረታቱኝ። ሌሎችን ቪዲዮዎችም እንድሰራ ያው የ10ኛ ክፍል የ11ኛ ክፍል የ12ኛ ክፍል ዊዝ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ኩዌስችን መስራት እፈልጋለሁ። ሶ አበረታቱኝ እላለሁኝ። ያው ሰላም ሁኑ። ስለተከታተላችሁኝ አመሰግናለሁ። ባይ ባይ።